Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today from the diecast world we got an officially licensed product from Lamborghini. We got the 132 scale Lamborghini Huracan Coupe. Roll the intro. So this is the Lamborghini Huracan in red color from the Miniso company. The built-in quality of this car is just good. I can't see exceptional material on it. It is made with zinc alloy and different types of plastics. The windows are pitch black and we can't see interior through them. The car detailing is pretty much amazing and it is looking like the original vehicle. On the back side we got Huracan written with 4 exhausts, 2 on the left and 2 on the right side. This car comes with a touch-sensitive function and can go forward, backward and turn with a variety of sound effects. To make this car work, we need 3 AAA size batteries. Now let's see how this car works. When we will touch the windshield, the car will accelerate forward with sounds and lights. When we will touch the driver's side window, the car will start with sounds and lights. To make it drift backwards, we need to touch the rear's windshield. When we will touch the front passenger's window, the car will make revving sounds with lights.